Today, Madame, Monsieur, we're gonna break the myth and the legend of the French accents. Yeah. Alright guys, I know many of you are actually wondering how to pronounce this French accent when you see them in a word. Well, actually you're gonna notice it's very simple. There is nothing to be scared of when you see a word with an accent. The main reason why, it's because except with E, the letter E, every time you're gonna see an accent on a word, it will be exactly the same sound if it's with or without. The pronunciation doesn't change. Some words did need an accent, some other words don't, but the pronunciation remains the same. Basically, the most important thing you need to remember with the French accent, it's two sounds, and that's it. And that will happen with the letter E. So let's have a look to that one. Every time you're gonna have a E with an accent, like this on the top, this is called, the accent is called E accent aigu, aigu. And this E accent aigu will be pronounced E, like aigu. For example, if I give you the word zero, 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 that would be the sound you're gonna have to pronounce. Or if I say été, summer, l'été, the summer, same sound, été. Or another one, if I say réparer, to repair, to fix, réparer. In that case, what you're gonna notice actually is that this E accent, E accent aigu, and ER at the end of the word have actually the same sound. So every time you will have a verb to repair, in that case réparer, that ends up with a ER, with ER it will be the same sound than a E accent aigu, E. At that point, 50% of the French accent is already resolved, which is quite easy, isn't it? The second part will be the other three accents you're gonna find with the E. You're gonna have, first of it, E accent grave. E accent grave, let's say, it's probably the second most common E accent you're gonna have in French. The first one being E accent aigu. E accent grave will be pronounced E, E accent aigu, E accent grave. Think about number 7, set, set, or 16, 16. 16. It's exactly the same sound. E accent grave, Maybe let's have a look to some examples. Le père, the father. La mère, the mother. Or zèbre, a zebra, the zebra, le zèbre. This will be the sound you're gonna create every time you have a E accent grave. And what's gonna be very simple for you to remember, it's that there is two more accents that will create actually the same sound. The first one will be E accent tréma, E accent tréma, which is basically the two dots on the top of the E, like if I say joyeux Noël, joyeux Noël, and the other accent will be E accent circonflexe, E accent circonflexe. Like if I say, for example, the verb to be in French, être, to be, être. E accent grave, like if I say père, E accent tréma, same, like if I say Noël, and E accent circonflexe, like if I say être. The only difference will be the first one we saw, E accent aigu, that will be E, like if you say été, for example. You're also gonna find words that have two different accents in a word, like if I tell you, for example, un élève. The élève, it's basically the liaison between élève starting with a E and un ending with an N, un élève. And in this word, élève, you have E accent aigu and E accent grave. Same if I say célèbre, the adjective to say famous. Célèbre, same, E accent aigu, E accent grave. Now don't forget, and this is important, every time you're gonna see a E without an accent, it's gonna be E. No E, no E, it's gonna be E. Perfect, you know everything you have to know about the accent. Did you see? That was quite simple, isn't it? So, if you still have any question about the accents in French, don't hesitate to actually leave a message in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe by hitting the bell under this video. Have a good day, à bientôt!